A green bean casserole, Impossible Pie. That's perfect for this time of year. Grab a bowl. I need a drained can of French-style green beans. A cup of those French fried onions. A couple tablespoons of pimentos. And a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix that together. And pour that into the bottom of your prepared pie dish. You need a half cup of Bisquick. Half cup of milk. I'm using half and half this time. I need half a cup of cream of mushroom soup. 2 eggs. A little Worcestershire sauce and black pepper. Give it a good whisk and pour that on top. And this gets baked at 400 for 35 to 40 minutes. Green bean casserole, Impossible Pie. It's definitely green bean casserole. I can taste everything in that. It's not bad. Green bean casserole is not my favorite side dish, but I'd still give this a 6.6 out of 10. My rug was so well behaved on a recent road trip. It was the perfect car pet.